guys, welcome to Decorating with Barbara. In today's video, I am going to share with you how I decorated my dining room for spring. I'm going to share a few DIYs as well as some thrift projects. So if you're interested, stick with me and let's get started. Okay guys, so I'm going to do things a little different today with the tour of the dining room. So I thought I would share some of my garage sale finds as well as some of my DIY projects, because with spring coming, we are getting into the garage sale season, and I wanted to give you guys some inspiration for when you guys go out. You will know what to look for when you're out looking. Okay, so one of the first things that I'm going to share with you is this beautiful mirror. I have been looking for a mirror like this for a while. I wanted one that had the arched top, and so when I saw it, the gate was closed onto the mirror, and so I thought it was a little small, but as I got a little closer, I noticed that it had a latch and that the gate opened, and then that would expand the mirror to the width that I needed. And so that was definitely a good score for $9.99. And so what I did was brought it home. I think I did a video on this. It was black, and I just added a little bit of white, gold, and silver to get this antiqued kind of aged look. I also picked up this lamp and this little cherub as well as the bowl from Goodwill. Now I did not get all of this on one occasion. You have to frequent Goodwill often, and so this day I did find this mercury glass lamp. I don't remember what it cost, but it was, I don't remember, $5.99 I think it was. And I got another one too. I'll show you guys in my living room when I do the whole house tour. But this one was $5.99. I did have to buy my own shade. And then this cherub I purchased on another occasion. I always like to get little garden accents when I'm in Goodwill, because that just goes along with my decor style. I like to do a lot of French country and some farmhouse, but I love to put French country accents in most of my rooms. And so this, I have the cherub sitting on a bowl, which I got this bowl for $1.49, and I found 4 of them. Now the thing about this bowl is that I already own the set of dishes that were very similar, and so when I saw these bowls, I picked them up because I needed 2 additional bowls, because my set was a set of 4 and my dining room is a set for 6. And so I was really happy to find those bowls. Each bowl was $1.49, and that was a score for me. So I placed the cherub on top of the bowl as a little pedestal, and I think it looks really cute. Now this is another piece that I picked up from Goodwill, and this is a candle holder, but I'm using it as a vase for these spring flowers. Okay, so this desk, it was not a garage sale piece, but I did get it from JCPenney's for a very good price. So JCPenney's was discontinuing a furniture line that they got in, and so I got this desk and the chairs here in my dining room for an excellent price. And since we're on the subject of chairs, you guys may remember I got these chairs from Goodwill for $7.99 for the pair, and I came home and did a makeover on them, and I do have a video out on that in case you didn't see it. but I think these chairs turned out beautiful. Okay, so I wanted to point out this table. I did purchase it from a garage sale from a store. Now, stores have garage sales as well, at least the ones here, they do. And I got another item from a store like that that I'll share with you in a minute. But this table was in a kind of a red cherry color when I picked it up. And I knew at the time I was going to paint it. It was just the size that really sold me on the table, as well as the price. But this table comes with 2 leaves that extend the table probably for seating of 12. And at the price that they had this at, it was definitely a good deal. I just had to come home and to repaint it. Okay, so you can still see a little bit of the red tone underneath, but I did give it several coats of brown and gray paint in different shades of brown and gray, and I painted it in a vertical motion to give it that wood grain look. And then I added several coats of polyurethane to seal the paint. I also thrift tabletop items. So I picked up 8 of these beautiful crystal cut stemware glasses. And I think I got 8 of them for $5. And I love to set these out at Christmas time or even during the spring and Easter season. And so I also picked up 4 of these pretty gold and white plates. They came in a set of 4 with 4 different patterns, and I got these for $2.99 at Goodwill. And then one of my favorite plates that I got from Goodwill, another one, is this beautiful crystal plate. And it has a nice cut glass pattern on the back side, and I just think these are pretty. You can use this as a salad plate, dessert, or an appetizer plate. Perfect size plate if you're on a diet. You don't get a lot of space in the center, but I just think these are pretty, and I love setting these out in the springtime for a spring luncheon. And so this is really how I would set my table for a spring luncheon if I was having my girlfriends over. But since we're in the time of COVID, no one is coming. But it's always nice to have a pretty table. Okay, so this vase was also a garage find from a local store. And when I purchased it, it was burgundy and blue. Now obviously blue and burgundy are not my colors, but I knew I could bring it home and do something with it. Give it a nice makeover to match your decor. Now this particular vase has been different colors, but I recently painted the bottom. It was gray originally, but I recently taped off the bottom and painted the lower portion gold to match some of my decor here in the dining room. Okay guys, so my favorite and my best find for this dining room was this chandelier. Now I picked up this chandelier from the Restore for 20 bucks. Now it didn't look like this when I got it. All the jewels were on the floor. The garland, the beaded garland, half of those were off. And I wasn't sure if all of the baubles and all of the beads were there. But for $20, I was willing to bring it home and give it a chance. And boy, am I glad I did. fit in so well with my French country theme. I was over the moon excited. So I also thrifted and DIY'd this urn. Now urns, vases, vessels, they are very popular this season. So if there's one thing to look for at a garage sale, I would look for some sort of vase. And okay guys, so this is the vase that I'm going to give a quick makeover on. And I just marked the height all the way around with a pencil. And so now I'm going to go around and tape off the pencil line. So the last thrifted item that I'm going to share with you in the dining room is this beautiful mirror. This mirror was gifted to me. I didn't thrift it. It was gifted by a dear friend, the same friend who gifted me the Bombay chest in my guest bedroom. She was downsizing her home and wanted me to have a few of her pieces, and I was more than happy to take them off her hand and bring them to my home. And of course the mirror, this mirror has gone through a couple colors as well. It was originally gilded gold when it was in her home, and then she wanted it painted in an oil rub bronze, and so I painted it in an oil rub bronze. And when she gave it back to me, I painted it white. And so now it has a combination of colors. It has a little bit of gold, gray, and the ivory. Okay guys, so that's it for the thrifted portion of the dining room tour. Now I'll let you guys take a quick look at the tabletop and a closer look at the other decor in the dining room. Thanks so much for watching, and have a blessed day. So if you guys enjoyed this type of thrifted tour, please give this video a thumbs up, because I was thinking of doing a whole house thrifted tour and just share with you guys some of the thrifted items that I picked up over the years.